On our previous video, we showed how to locate the receiver track on top of the pool wall. On certain pools, such as a Thursday pool, the receiver track is going to be hard to set up because there's not enough room on top of the pool wall. You'll see the pool wall here is only about 2.5 inches, and there's nowhere to put our black mark. So what we're going to do is show you how to make a jig using a small piece of pool form and receiver track. So we're going to use a small piece of the bendable pool form, just 3 sections. And I'm going to cut the top section of that off right here. That way, using this as a jig, it's going to slide better instead of putting it in and out and in and out. I'm going to put a mark, a black mark, even with this point right here. And go right across, and then I'm going to cut this top section off. Here's that jig that I cut. You can see I cut the top section of the form off. And the reason why I did that was so it slides in and out real easy. There's no friction holding it. That way, when we're using this as a jig, we're just going to slide this all around. When you're setting the receiver track in this situation, it's really nice to have an extra guy, because the first guy could be using the jig. And make sure in this part of the jig here is plumb. You don't want it like this. You want it plumb. And then the second guy will start setting screws.